Kailangan natin bumili ng, alam mo yung alamang na bagoong sa Chinese kasi mas mura doon kaysa sa Filipino store.
Kung kilala nyo po si Mrs. Tachibana, meron pong Miss Tachibana.
Ano po talaga ang buhay. Kasi po, every penny counts, you know. Sa Filipino store, it's $8.99. If you go to Chinese, since I'm on my way to the Chinese store, it's $6.99, $2 difference. That's a lot.